Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is the Bonfire night in Britain, and over this weekend, many places in London hold bonfires and fireworks displays. In this video, I'm going to show you the fireworks festival at Alexandra Palace in North London. Alexandra Palace is sitting on top of the hill, so you will feel closer to the fireworks than the other displays in central London. The palace is turned into an indoor ice rink now and is surrounded by a large green space. The fireworks start at 9 p.m., but there are plenty to do and see before that. There is a bonfire show that starts at 7:30 and lasts for almost an hour. There is a lightning magic show. There are some bonfire activities like a mini winter wonderland. There are many food stalls and a DJ dance floor. You can also experience ice disco with an extra skating ticket. There's also a German beer festival with live music if you want to experience the vibes of the Oktoberfest in Munich. If you're planning to go, remember to dress warm. As it's on top of the hill, the wind feels stronger and you will be standing outside for a long time. The displays are quite spread out. Only the fireworks observation area and food stalls are a little packed. The fireworks last about 20 minutes, and all in all, it was a memorable experience. Now let's see some of the highlights of the fireworks. If you enjoy videos of fun activities in London, please check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.